Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. One of your best technicians works a full 40-hour week. They're skilled, certified, reliable. You trust them. Now let's look at how those 40 hours actually get used. 24 hours are spent doing real, productive, billable work, fixing inverters, replacing modules, troubleshooting strings, preventative maintenance. The other 16 hours, 8 hours driving between sites, 4 hours stuck in traffic, 2 hours waiting for parts that weren't ready, 2 hours filling out paperwork, syncing reports, updating systems. That's 62.5% utilization. You're paying roughly $80,000 per year in salary for that technician, but only about $50,000 worth of that time is actually creating value in the field. Now zoom out. Imagine you're running a modest operation with 10 technicians. Same pattern, same inefficiencies, same wasted hours. Multiplied. You're not losing a few $1,000s. You're quietly burning $300,000 per year in labor capacity that exists but never gets used. That $300,000 could fund 15 additional technicians in emerging markets. Cut your O&M budget by 25% without losing a single productive hour. Pay for advanced monitoring, drones, and predictive maintenance. Twice over. And here's the brutal part. Most operators don't even know it's happening. The solar operators winning today, they've solved this. The other 16 hours, 8 hours driving between sites. They've deployed AI-powered workforce optimization, systems that route technicians intelligently, match skills to work, batch jobs geographically, and adapt in real time when the real world interferes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it and how you can reclaim that lost $300,000. Let's optimize. Here's the uncomfortable truth about SolarO&M. Technicians don't spend most of their time fixing solar equipment. They spend most of their time getting to solar equipment. Traditional dispatch looks logical on paper. Site A throws an alert. You open your scheduling tool. You check who's available. You pick the technician who looks closest. You send them. But here's what actually happens. That technician drives 90 minutes, spends 1 hour fixing the issue, drives 90 minutes back, 4 hours consumed. 1 hour productive. Now they're back, but they're in the wrong geographic zone for your next urgent job. Another alert comes in. Different site, different region, so you dispatch someone else. That second technician arrives, only to realize this is an inverter diagnostics issue. They're a module specialist. They can't complete the job. Now you dispatch a third technician. 3 technicians, 1 problem. This isn't bad management. It's an unsolvable optimization problem when done manually. Human dispatchers cannot simultaneously optimize geography, skills, priority, travel time, and future jobs. Predict downstream consequences of each dispatch decision. Reroute dynamically when something changes mid-day, AI can. Modern AI dispatch systems don't think in single jobs. They think in systems. Instead of asking, who can go to site A right now? They ask, what is the optimal allocation of all technicians across all jobs today and tomorrow? The difference is night and day. With AI dispatch, jobs are batched geographically. Skills are matched before wheels turn. Technicians travel once and work multiple sites. Emergencies are absorbed without breaking the entire schedule. The numbers speak for themselves. Across real-world solar portfolios, utilization jumps from 60-62% to 75-85%. Travel time drops from 35-40% of the day to 15-20%. Fuel consumption falls 30-40%. First-time fix rates improve 20-30%. Emergency response times collapse from 72 hours to under 12. Now imagine you have 10 technicians like this across your operation. On a 10-technician team earning $80K each. Manual dispatch, ikumaso, $500K productive capacity. AI dispatch is $624K productive capacity. That's $124,000 in recovered capacity. No hiring, no overtime, no miracles. You're effectively wasting $300,000 annually in labor capacity. That's literally sitting in trucks driving between sites. Here's the brutal math. That wasted $300K could fund 15 additional technicians or cut your O&M budget 25% without losing a single hour of productive capacity. The solar operators winning today have solved this. They've deployed AI-powered workforce optimization that routes technicians efficiently, matches skills to jobs, batches maintenance geographically, and continuously adapts to real-world disruptions. Today, I'm showing you exactly how they do it and how you can reclaim that free 100K for your operation. Let's optimize. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.